Alright everybody, this is a much needed video stash ad. Some kits I purchased from Papadan back in March, late February, early March, somewhere around there. Been busy, but yeah, these are all, other than two of these kits, these are all macros kits, anime jets. Some are pretty darn cool. But yeah, start off, we'll do the VF 11B Super Thunderbolt from Macros Plus. If I remember right, back in my days of watching it, this is the second series they came out with. Then you got the VF 19 and the VF 21. Go ahead and give them side views of these bad boys. Try to do this as quick as I can, not take up too much camera time. Yeah. There's some, what they are once they're built up and painted. Yeah, it's just a mod, the newest VF 119, which I believe I've got it here, maybe. But anyway, yeah, I like both of these. They're not too far from what they are each. Really, they're all, well, there's a little bit of difference. These, that's the only one with the wings going forward. But this one and that one seem to be about the same, I think, except the extras on there. So that's those. That's one series that I've got from them. And my kitty cat in the background. You may hear her. This will be my next. Let's see which one number this is. Okay. Try to put them in the same order. But yeah, this is Macros 0. I'm guessing, of course, it took after the other one here, but I've never seen this series that I could recall. Yeah, I need to flip this one around. These are a little more detailed, looks like, I think. But yeah, gonna be pretty nice. It looks like the one kid, the main character on the first Macros, his buddy, had the skull and crossbones on his. I don't think this one transforms at all. I think they're just the aircraft themselves. Yeah. 160 parts on this one, 121 on that one, 113 on the blue one. I don't know if she's calling for me or if she's playing with her egg or mouse. It's hard to tell. But yeah. I love the artwork. Artwork's really cool. But yeah, I may open one of these up. Let y'all see. I've got two more of those, but he also threw in these at a real good deal. And these are older versions. I know I saw a date probably on the destructions. I think they're, let me get this open. Ooh. I think well, I can't verify. Let's see, I should have it on here. I know I saw it somewhere. Maybe I looked it up. But I could have swore it was back to the late 80s is when this was done. Again, I could very well be wrong. Look on this box. I thought it was. Kit number 2020. I don't know. Oh yeah. There you go. 87. And it looks real good. Decals are looking freaking awesome. Everything looks good. Nothing broke. thing's fighting me. No. There we go. Never had that happen. I've had them where they didn't want to go on, but I've never had them fight me to not come off. This is going to be the last two, of course. And this will be another series I don't know anything about. Macros Frontier. Yeah, I think it looks pretty freaking sweet. Let's pop the top here on this one. I would do the other one, but you'll see it's a big box. Nice and clean. Be an easy tape job. I guess. Okay, that goes on the very back. That piece there go back here. But then you got an option for that one. Yeah. You got an option for it to be open. But yeah, everything's still in the bags. If it'll let me pick the instructions up, which is almost like a booklet. Then you got, well, if it'll let me take the onion paper or whatever it is off. I think the decals are pretty damn good. Got two options for sure. Yeah. Not quite sure. Know when I'll get around to getting this built. Yeah, I will build it. I love my macros. Only bad thing about this, and it's a small greg. It's the fold out kind, see? Which is no big deal. I can always just fold it back on itself. But yeah. This one came out 2007 is when these were done. Let me go ahead and put the decals back into the instructions. That way I know nothing should happen to it. Okay. Yeah, again, box art is amazing. Yep. 40th anniversary. A lot of these are. Come on, there you go. Put that like that. Yeah, I just have to have room here. I've got a couple of days, 1 or 2 more days. I'll have the Anycubic Cobra X coming in. I think tracking a package right now, and it's the only one it could be. But yeah, that's why all this is opened up for it. Put it here, and then up above is going to go the 4-box holder. I can't remember what the name of the darn thing is, but it holds 4 more spools. I'll get it out for the printer itself. It's a filament printer. I've got the other 2 here. The weather just won't stay warm, but I've got a heater here, which it helps. I got 1 container of resin, and I'm gonna play with this one tomorrow. But yeah, another one, 40th anniversary. This is about like that one. That's the also the Messiah there, but this is the Super Messiah. Simple as put. It's got all this stuff on it, extra armor and armament on it. And you can see it's got the bazillion missiles that shoot out. Yeah. I guess we can pop it open right quick. I'm guessing this one came out about the same time. Yeah, 2007. But yeah, you got the little runners, and here's your armor. All that goes on there. Extra stuff. So, as far as I know, again, it should just be an aircraft and nothing more. Yeah. What I'm seeing, that's it. And don't see any. Hold on. There's one in English and possibly one in Japanese. Oh. And of course, there's your decals. About like the last one. It's got the 2 paint schemes or water slide schemes. but I do not see anything transforming. What's this bad boy all about? Could this be... Maybe the armor pieces. I know I'm jabbering. Should be able to get done this darn video and get you all on your way. Yeah. I guess the two figures to coincide with the different markings. Maybe. Yeah. Be happy with it. Get on translated, but it don't matter. I've got Google Translate anyway. And yeah, this one came out. It says printed 2015. Well, this is not. Yeah, Japan 27. I don't know. That could be a year. Could be a serial number or something like that. Because this one said with a box. Yeah, this says 2007. So I don't know. Anywho, that would be all of these. Meant to do, like I said, meant to do this video a couple months ago, but with the Bandai build and then Eggplane on right behind it. Yeah, look at that. That's the easiest box I've had closed for me ever. It would be the biggest one. But yeah, that's it, folks. That's all that I got from Papadan. So, yeah, thanks you again, Dan. Greatly appreciate it. Sorry that you went and sold them, but I'm glad I was able to get them from you. But I'd still like to see you building stuff. So, anywho, I'll stop rattling. Y'all be safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to everybody later.